The global disruption caused by the COVID-19 has brought several effects on the environment and climate. Due to movement restriction and a significant slowdown of social and economic activities, air quality has improved in many cities with a reduction in water pollution in different parts of the world.
Global warming is an aspect of climate change referring to the long-term rise of the planet's temperature. It is caused by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and farming. Our planet supports the life to more than 8.7 million species and is currently experiencing extreme degradation and unprecedented climate change. 97% of scientists believe much of our planet's challenges are caused by human activity.